Thank you, Japan. We had started with chapter number 9, and I think we've done first two questions. Some third question kar rahe the. Like I was just discussing this, and I'd drawn these pictures when the class ended. Okay, so thank you, Agamru. I think this question is clear. This was a very simple question. So if you're aware, slides. Thank you, Kavan. Thank you. So this is question number 4. Let's just name the tower as AB, the point of observation as C. This angle is 30 degrees. And if you want, you can just write down that this is the tower here. You can just label it in the diagram. And this is what we want to find out. This is given to be 30 meters. Rhythm, beta, have you done this chapter?
Yes. 5 तक ही की है, 6 तक.
Okay. So if you want, I will be marking for myself that this is the acute angle. So this actually is the perpendicular of my triangle, and this here is the base of the triangle, and I'm going to relate these two. So I'm taking perpendicular over base. This will be tan 30 degrees. So tan 30 degrees is 1 by under root 3. Perpendicular is AB, the height of the tower, and base is BC. Rationalize the denominator. So this will be 10 root 3 meters. The height of the tower is 10 times under root 3. If you want, you can give the answer at the end. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, that will be no. Yeah, that will be no. The silence means no. Question number 5. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meters above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degrees. Find the length of the string, assuming that there is no slack in the string. So this is something which I was mentioning yesterday also. There is no slack, means the string is not loose, it's completely tight and stretched so that it looks like a line segment. That's the sole purpose of mentioning this. उसके अलावा इसका कोई role नहीं है. And after this, let's just represent it in the form of, thank you, Sahaj. Let's just roughly draw the figure for this one. So let us say that we have the ground level and the kite is somewhere here. The string that connects the kite to the person who's flying the kite actually has been attached to a point on the ground, which actually is not possible. You cannot attach the string to a point. So supposedly यहाँ पे attach किया point on the ground. Let's name point as C. and the position of the kite as A. The height of the kite means the vertical height. Remember this, जब भी बोलेंगे किसी भी object की height, that will be the vertical height. So when they say the height of the ground is 60 meters above the ground, that actually means the vertical height. Kite की जो भी position है, ground से वो vertically कितनी ऊपर है. Angle at which the string was tied to the ground is 60 degrees. You want to find out the length of the string. So you're going to use the side AC and you're going to use the side AB. What would be the relation? कौन सी T ratio लगेगी?
Sin
Rhythm,
60.
don't answer. Let anybody else answer. Okay, Rhythm has already answered. First of all, identify the side which is given and the side which is to be calculated. So the vertical side is actually the perpendicular, and the side which we want to find out is the hypotenuse. So we are going to use P and H. So using P and H, we will be using sine of 60 degrees. So that's the relation you're going to use to find out the side AC of the triangle. Anyone with any questions here? Would you like to try this on your own? Like, I would like you to try this on your own, write down and just see how it works. Try this once.
Yes,
If you
ma'am.
want, I can just start this with you. Solving you can do, I'll just start the answer part with you. So this is question number 4th, 5th.
Ma'am, question number 5.
It's question number 5. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So AC will be 120 by under root 3. Rationalize the denominator again. So this will be 40 times root 3 meters. This is the length of the string. Anyone who's writing down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Is there anyone else who's writing down? I think, yeah. Okay. All right. The next question that we have is, you can just mark from question number 6 onwards the question. This is now level 2, from question 6 onwards. So we have been given that there is a boy who is 1.5 meters tall. He's standing at some distance from a tall building. The building's height is 30 meters. The angle of elevation from the eyes of that boy to the top of the building increases from 30 to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. So I'll just roughly try to show what happens here, and then you can observe which triangle you're going to work with. So let us just say that this is the ground level. So the boy is standing here. Let's name the boy as AB, and then there is this building, comparatively taller. Both of these will be perpendicular to the ground, and kindly ignore that I have drawn the ground quite inclined a little here. So ground will be horizontal, the objects will be vertical, and ensuring that the object with a height will be perpendicular to the ground. So height of the boy is given as 1.5 meters. The building's height is 30 meters. The boy is observing the top of the tower, and the point of observation will be A. यहाँ से बनेगी आपकी line of sight from A to C. This is top of the tower, and this is the point of observation. This is the line of sight, the one I've drawn and dotted. This is the line of sight. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the building. To show the angle of elevation, the first thing we want to do is we want to draw a horizontal right from the point of observation. So this is the point of observation. इसमें से पहले हम एक horizontal draw करेंगे, and then we can show the angle of elevation. So the angle of elevation initially is 30 degrees. Then the boy moves towards the building. The boy walks towards the building, and suppose he covers a distance X meters, and he reaches this point, point C. So now the position of the boy will be this one, after walking some distance towards the building. And when he looks at the top of the tower, after covering this distance from this point, from point E, this will be second point of observation. From here, if he observes the top of the tower, the angle now is 60 degrees. You have to tell how much distance did he walk towards the building. Is the question clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone who wants to know how we have drawn this figure? Usually आपके पास जो भी objects दिए होंगे जहां से observation की जा रही है, अगर उनकी height नहीं दी हुई, हम उनको as a point show कर देते हैं. Suppose कार से कोई किसी height वाली चीज को देख रहा है, तो हम कार को as a point show करेंगे, although कार की height होती है. Unless वो उस specific object की height mention करें question में, हम उसको consider नहीं करेंगे. Like in this question, उन्होंने boy की height को mention किया है, तो आपको उसको figure में show करना है. अगर उन्होंने simply boy बोला होता, तो हमने boy को point बना के वहां पे show कर देना था. Then we could have just ignored the height of the boy. Okay, so let's just draw this again once, and you can just do this with me in the answer part actually. So let's represent the ground. and then you can just this represents the boy and his height is 1.5 meters. This represents the building, or the, I think it's the building here. Yeah, it's building. So I'm just trying to do a shortcut here rather than writing down let AB represent the boy, CD represent the building. I've simply written that AB is the boy and CD is the building. From this point, this is what's happening here. So this is the point of observation. The boy is observing or looking at the top of the tower and angle बनता है यहाँ पे कुछ angle बन रहा है. लेकिन angle बनाने से पहले the first and the most important thing is to draw a horizontal right through the point of observation. So if you want, you can just mark that this is the point of observation, and before we want to show the angle of elevation, we want to draw a horizontal right through this point of observation. So when we draw a horizontal right through the point of observation, this actually will be parallel to the ground. And this is line of sight. So angle is formed here. The angle of elevation, this angle is 30 degrees. यहाँ तक किसी को कोई doubt है? Like at this point, anyone who wants to ask anything? So after this, this boy here, AB, he walks towards the building. And let us say he walks towards the building and reaches this point. This is his new position. So this will be the second point of observation. Now he again looks at the top of the building, and then again you will have a line of sight. This is the new line of sight. And now the angle will be formed here with the horizontal. This is now 60 degrees. I think this actually can be observed from the figure itself. When the boy was standing at a distance, the angle was smaller, and as the boy walks closer towards the building, angle बड़ा हो जाएगा. आप खुद imagine करो अगर आप किसी भी object को दूर से देखते हो. Let us just say that if you are standing at a distance from your house itself and you're looking at the top of the house, तो अगर आप दूर से देख रहे हो, you will not have to raise your head so much. लेकिन आप बहुत क्लोज अगर अपने घर के खड़े हो और आपको फिर ऊपर देखना है, तो आपको अपनी नेक को काफी ऊपर करके देखना पड़ेगा, तो एंगल ऊंचा हो जाएगा, बड़ा हो जाएगा. सेम थिंग इज हैपनिंग हियर. When the boy is standing at a distance, the angle was smaller, but as the boy walked closer towards the building, angle बड़ा हो गया. And the change in position is from AB to A dash to B dash. यहाँ से यहाँ तक, the black vertical line from from the black vertical line to the blue vertical line. तो आपको ये distance find out करना है from B to B dash. This distance. Anyone who has any questions? Now what we are going to do is, this is just the representation part. To find out the distance BB dash, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a few variables here. First thing I want to see is the right triangles with which I'm going to work with. So how many right triangles can you see here? So if this angle is 90 degrees, this will be 90 degrees. So one right triangle is formed right here, in which the acute angle is 60 degrees. I'm marking this point as E. So I've got a right triangle A dash CE, in which the acute angle is 60 degrees. If you want, I can just shade that. This one, this triangle, एक ही right triangle बन रहा है. And then the second one is triangle ACE. This one, in which the acute angle is 60 degrees. So you're going to observe this, because once you have identified कि आपके इस diagram में या picture में कौन-कौन से right triangles बन रहे हैं, only then you will be able to use T ratios. And our purpose is to find out BD dash using these two right triangles. Anyone with any questions at this point? So if you want,
No,
you can
ma'am.
draw these triangles. If you want, अगर आप, if you feel like, you can draw these two triangles separately here. आप रफ एक sketch draw कर सकते हो reference के लिए कि आपके पास जो triangle बन रहा है A dash CE. The angle 90 degrees here. यहाँ पे A dash पे जो angle बन रहा है वो 60 degrees है. This is the perpendicular, this is the base, and this is the hypotenuse of the triangle. Similarly, if you want to draw triangle ACE, you can draw that as well. Because इससे आपको convenient लगेगा ratios लिखना. But it's not necessary again. It's not necessary. It's only, it depends on person to person. And before I actually start using these triangles, I'm going to make my work easier by giving this distance some name. So distance जो मुझे find करना है, I'm going to name this as x. Now there are going to happen a few things over here. I'll be working with this complete triangle and the smaller triangle. I'm going to take the distance BB dash as x, and I'm going to take this distance as y. Other than that, if you observe the height of the boy, which is AB, this is 1.5 meters. So that means this vertical line segment will be equal to this vertical line segment. This will be 1.5 meters as well. And similarly, this part here will also be 1.5 meters. So can you tell me what will be this distance?
Ma'am, 28.5 meters.
28.5 meters, because the total height of the building is 30 meters and the height of the boy is 1.5 meters. So this distance will be 28.5 meters. What can you say about BB dash and AA dash? These two parts will also be equal. So this will also be x. Similarly, this base will be equal to this one. This will also be y. ये symmetry से आया हमारे पास. We are having rectangles and squares here. So this is what I'm going to show in the picture now. CE, this is 28.5 meters. A dash E is y. AE, this will be x plus y, and this is 28.5. Now you can work with the two triangles and then find out the variables x and y.